Is your hair feeling dry, frizzy, or damaged? These issues can really knock your confidence, affecting how you feel every day. But worry not. Introducing Bedhead Resurrection Repair, a powerful duo of shampoo and conditioner designed to rejuvenate your locks. This dynamic pair hydrates, repairs, and smooths frizz for salon-quality results at home. Suitable for all hair types, even color-treated tresses, it's enriched with nourishing ingredients that work wonders. Simply lather, rinse, and follow with the conditioner for best results. Experience the incredible transformation as your hair goes from dull and lifeless to beautifully vibrant, luxuriously soft, and irresistibly shiny. With every wash, you'll see and feel the difference as your hair becomes stronger, smoother, and more radiant than ever before. Thanks for watching. Order now through the link in the description, because your hair deserves the best care.